Check out my Phantom wallet, $2.9 million made from launching meme coins. No hype, no luck, just a method that works again and again. Stick around, I'm about to break down exactly how I pulled all this off. Every time I bought into a new meme coin, I'd get completely dumped on, rugged, and watch all my balance get drained. That's when it clicked and it all changed. The real winners are not buying coins, they're launching them. Because when you launch your own coins, you control everything, the supply, the timing, and the story, and even when you cash out. You're not chasing hype, you're simply just creating it. By launching coins, you have completely nothing to lose, since you are the one who made it and the first ever buyer. But if you keep trading coins, you are eventually gonna lose everything. Trust me bro, I've been there. I've lost over 6 figures trading meme coins, and I'm just here to help you. And right now, with Bitcoin at the all-time high and Solana pumping, there's no better time to start launching coins than right now. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to launch your very first meme coin and potentially make some money, so make sure to keep watching. And before we head over to launching a coin, I want to be completely clear that this video does not constitute financial advice and it's all for educational purposes only. Pump.Fun might look easy, but it's flooded. Hundreds of coins launching every minute, all fighting for the same attention. But most of them die within hours because the space is oversaturated. Although on token..Io, you launch directly onto Radium and your coin gets graduated instantly. No waiting and no fucking queue time. You keep full control of the liquidity, you set your own rules, and your token is tradable the second it's live. That instant graduation means faster exposure, more buyers, and a real shot at momentum right from the launch, all because it was launched on the Radium DEX. Now when you are ready to launch your meme coin on createtokens.io, you've got two clean options. The first is to build a meme coin from scratch. So go on Twitter and pick a viral narrative, maybe it's a trending meme, a political moment, or something blowing up on social media at the moment. Then come back to the site, give it a simple name, a quick symbol, and upload a quick meme coin logo for your coin, then click next and your coin is ready to move forward. But the second method is actually my favorite one and the most profitable option, the copy trending coins tab. This pulls in proven winners straight from Pump.Fun onto a list. Coins already getting traffic, volume, and attention. You just click the copy a coin and it's instantly listed onto Radium with none of the delays. Since you are copying coins that already have buyers flooding in, you'll get instant activity and way more profit potential from the start. Both work, but that second method is where I've seen the biggest and fastest flips. But anyways, let's stop wasting time and let's launch a coin together and potentially make thousands of dollars for educational purposes only. Okay, so connect your wallet with Phantom. That's simple. Then refresh list and we're gonna copy a coin that looks juicy. I think I'm gonna go with this one, the meme aura coin. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago, which means people are actively buying it, and a $30,000 market cap. Also, it has a Telegram. Oh, 400 subscribers. I think I'm gonna copy this coin. So crit coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom. It's completely normal. Every single individual is gonna get the same exact warning. Just go proceed, confirm, click here, confirm. Then the coin should be copied shortly. Just give it a bit of time, a bit of patience, and boom. If I go on SoulScan for you guys, now it's live, it's minted, it's on chain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy. We're basically adding liquidity to the coin so people can buy into the coin and sell it through Radium. Okay, so there's 2 simple steps. Amount token A, click the 90% button right here. That's gonna put 900 M's into the coin. For the amount token B, This is your first buy into your own coin, so you're not losing anything, you're not losing money, nothing. Just make sure you've got enough for that first buy. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you'll get that back later when you remove the liquidity. I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL for my own pocket just to be sure, and once again, you are gonna get it back later. Then create pool, wait for your phantom white to pop up once again, then click on confirm. After that, when that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, the coin should be live. Yes, it is live. The meme aura coin is now created. Our profits are at $0. But if you re-click on refresh once again to refresh the coin, now we're up $160, which means people are actively buying the coin on the migrate section, and the coin is gonna fucking explode. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Now it's live. Now just be patient for a bit because it has to load. Boom, the buys are coming in. Now from now on, all you have to do as a meme coin dev is to sit back, watch all the buyers on Radium buy in. Boom, a big green candle just like that. We are at a $1.5 thousand market cap, 1.3. Volume is kicking in. Let's go! It's pumping. Let's fucking go! Yes! Pump, pump, pump! Let's fucking go, bro. $70. We're almost at the $2,000 market cap. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. Just give me 15 seconds, and I'm gonna be right back. So enjoy the show. Okay guys, I am back. We are at the $2.89 thousand market cap, $1.5 thousand in liquidity, which means we can make this much, and the volume is at about the same. We are pushing 100 transactions. I think right now is a really good time to cash out profits and make crypto money. So to do that, come back to create tokens.io. Then first of all, before we click on the mouse button, click on refresh. And boom, we're up 1,545 USD with a $2.5 thousand market cap, which means we can remove this much. Click on the mouse button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom white to pop up. And as you guys can see, we are gonna receive 9.1 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and make a shit ton of money. And if I open my phantom wallet for proof, boom! 1.6 grand straight inside my wallet. Now before you click off and go launch a coin, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe and join my free Telegram group down below. And now bro, good luck.